Amcrest 4K NVR review. Your security just got smarter, scarier, and kinda sexy? You've got cameras everywhere, but somehow you're still playing detective after the fact, rewinding glitchy footage, squinting through potato quality video, and yelling at your smart NVR that clearly never finished school. We get it. You're exhausted from systems that crash during the worst moments, interfaces that look like Windows 98 on a bad day, and missing that one crucial second because your storage ran out. It's not just tech fatigue, it's trust issues. You need a system that just works, no drama, no mysterious error 404, and no midnight breakdowns, the tech kind, or yours. Now picture this. It's 3 a.m., a shadow moves outside, and your phone pings with crystal clear 4K footage while your neighbor's ancient system still thinks it's 2011. When you're dealing with late-night porch pirates, nosy raccoons, or actual break-ins, lag isn't just inconvenient, it's a liability. Add crushing daily chaos, remote work stress, and smart home overload. And your security system can either make life easier, or be one more thing weighing you down. Nobody's got time to babysit a system that should be protecting you. Enter the Amcrest 4K 8-channel PoE NVR, model NV4108E-2 TB, aka the command center for your personal security empire. This sleek little beast comes preloaded with a 2 TB hard drive and can manage up to 8 IP cameras in glorious 8 megapixel or 4K resolution. With AI camera support, advanced H.265 compression, and motion-triggered recording, it's basically a digital bouncer with a photographic memory. Plus, it connects everything via PoE, no spaghetti wiring, no setup drama. The result? Less time configuring, more time chilling. Oh, and it backs up via USB. Easy. Breezy. Bulletproof. This isn't just about pixels, it's about peace of mind. You'll love the smart search playback, remote access via the Amcrest View app, and the flexibility to expand to 10 terabytes of storage. We're talking military-grade uptime, razor-sharp detail, and zero learning curve. Whether you're a tech pro or just tired of fiddling with menus, Amcrest gets you set up fast with plug-and-play simplicity. Stream, scan, and save, all from your phone or big screen monitor. Security isn't just functional anymore, it's freaking fun. Who knew surveillance could feel this sleek? Ready to upgrade from Meta Mastermind? Don't wait for a break-in to realize your current setup is trash. Thousands have already ditched laggy systems for Amcrest and never looked back. This model sells fast, especially the version with the pre-installed 2 TB drive. So yeah, click that link, snatch yours up before they vanish, and turn your space into a security fortress with brains and brawn. Say goodbye to uncertainty and hello to flawless 4K control. Your cameras deserve a boss. Be that boss. Now.